In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unblock emails on Yahoo. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in Yahoo Mail to remove an address from your blocked list so messages can reach your inbox again. Start by opening your web browser. In the address bar at the top, type yahoo.com and press enter. You might land on a regional version of Yahoo, and that's perfectly fine. The steps are the same. Look to the upper right corner of the page and find the Sign In option. Click it to go to the login screen. Follow the on-screen prompts to sign into your Yahoo account. Enter your credentials and complete any verification Yahoo asks for. If you have multiple Yahoo account accounts, make sure you're signing in to the one where you want to receive emails. Once you're signed in, head back to the top right and click Mail to open Yahoo Mail. This takes you straight to your inbox. Inside your inbox, focus again on the top right area and click the settings icon, which looks like a small gear. A quick settings panel will open on the right side. At the bottom of that panel, click More Settings to open the full settings page. On the left-hand menu, select Security and Privacy. This is the section where Yahoo manages blocked addresses and domains. On the right, you'll see your blocked list. Find the specific email address or domain you want to allow again. To remove it, click the trash icon or delete button next to that entry. If a confirmation prompt appears, click Delete to confirm. That's it, the address is now unblocked. After unblocking, new emails from that sender should start arriving going forward. Messages that were previously blocked won't be restored, so you may want to ask the sender to resend anything important. If you still don't see incoming messages after unblocking, give your inbox a moment to refresh and check your spam folder just in case. Also, look under Filters and Settings to make sure you don't have a rule that's moving the message elsewhere. A quick tip to help prevent future delivery issues: keep your blocked list tidy and only block addresses you're certain you don't want to hear from. If it's someone you trust, you can consider adding them to your contacts so Yahoo recognizes them as a known sender. And that's the whole process. Open Yahoo, sign in, go to Mail, open Settings, choose More Settings, head to Security and Privacy, and delete the entry from your blocked list. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you get your messages flowing again.